As Long as You Love Me is a song by American boy band Backstreet Boys from the group's eponymous debut studio album in the United States, Backstreet Boys, and their second studio album worldwide, Backstreet's Back. The song was written by Max Martin, who produced it with Christine Lundin, and lyrically describes the reciprocity of a relationship. As Long as You Love Me was released by Jai Records as the second single from both albums in the United Kingdom on 29th of September 1997 and in the United States on 7th of October 1997. The song received generally positive reviews from music critics who praised the production. As Long as You Love Me topped the charts in Lithuania, New Zealand, the Philippines, and Romania and peaked at number 2 in Australia and Austria, number 3 in Canada and the United Kingdom, number 4 in Switzerland and Sweden, and number 5 in Netherlands and Norway. In Brazil, the song was included in the soundtrack of the Brazilian telenovela Por Amor, in English, Anything for Love. An accompanying music video was directed by British director Nigel Dix and depicts the Backstreet Boys performing an audition for 6 women. Background. In an interview with Billboard, A.J. McLean noted that he was initially meant to sing the song's bridge, while Brian Littrell and Nick Carter would both sing the verses. However, he had been infected with strep throat and was subsequently replaced with Littrell, whose vocals were featured on the album and single. The song was a last-minute addition to the album as Clive Calder, then chairman of Zomba, heard the song and called Jeev Recorders president Barry Weiss, who then contacted the band's manager Johnny Wright. The single version of As Long as You Love Me has different instrumentation and mixing as well as a slightly different structure. This version was included on the 1998 second pressing of their US debut album. Music video and background. The accompanying music video for As Long as You Love Me was directed by British director Nigel Dick and filmed on June 15, 1997 in Pasadena, California. A.J. McLean learned the lyrics of the song on the day of the shoot, as he was initially meant to sing the song's bridge. 6 women were chosen for the video, with the number chosen to ensure that they would not appear to be matched up with the band members. One of the women, Donna, was played by Leanne Wallace, whom literally ultimately married in 2000. Cover version. The Netherlands retro rock band The Kick records a live version in Dutch in the 3FM radio using only Casio keyboards. Radio DJ Gilles Berlin subsequently asked the band to release their version as a single. In 2019, the Diola Follian singer Jody Nines recorded a version in Catalan of this song under the title If You Say You Love Me for the CD edited by La Marotta de TV3, a telethon devoted to raise funds for the research of incurable diseases.